popmart finally opened its very first store in Massachusetts. I have always wanted to shop inside an actual popmart store. You know, it's all about the experience, being able to just shop in person. I ended up going with my sister, my niece, my nephew, and my kids, and we actually waited for about 30 minutes. It was a huge line, but it went through pretty quick. They were only letting about 10 to 15 people in at a time because the store is tiny. But to my surprise, they had so much in stock. They even had things that are sold out online. They even had the popular Crybaby glass cup, which I have right here. It took me months to get this online. It was sold out for the longest time, and the store actually had a few of them. They also had all of the Labubus. They had the energy ones, they had the macaroon, the have a seat, and they had the brand new collection, the alphabet one. The only thing I did not see, and I was very sad because I wanted to get one, was the skull panda, but I did end up getting some Labubus. I will show you that towards the end of the video. I did film the whole experience inside of the store. I was so excited. It was almost kind of like it was meant to be. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching.
Infatuated, I left the flowers at your doorstep. Heart is inflated. Just tell me what you wanna do, babe. Just say it. Cause baby, I can sell my soul, I could let it go and have you take it or take it away. I want you in my golden hour dream, everything between. Cause I just can't help myself but fantasize. Strawberry summer, sugar satellite. You spin my head around all day and night. Send me to heaven when I fantasize, fantasize. Baby, it's now or never. Can't you see where to be? I love you better. Fantasy recipe when we're together. Can't you see where to be? I love you better. Fantasy recipe. No, I don't wanna miss your every single minute. But see, the problem is I can't admit it, loving you more till you notice. Baby, I'm wanting you more, so you know this. Cause baby, I could sell my soul, I could let it go and have you take it or take it away. I want you in my golden hour dream, everything between. Cause I just can't help myself but fantasize. Strawberry summer, sugar satellite. You spin my head around all day and night. Send me to heaven when I feel. Come and take the shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. What's going on with you? I will not love for you. I can't relate, girl, when you say that it was overdue. I play no games for you, girl, what we trying to prove? I held it down, shook it down, it's funny I ride with you. It's deja vu, you say it's cause you're Gemini. So inconsistent while you anxious, we wasting ammunition. It's deja vu, I knew that you were never mine. So clueless, I guess you will never know. I need you to just be you. When you're playing dumb, I never even notice. But I'ma play the same game with you now. So come and take the shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a soul child, feeling so priceless. You got me taking shots with me now, shots with me now. Just like a Cadillac, feeling so timeless. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. Let's talk about it. Late night FaceTime, hold tight on fire, damn bright, I'm sipping on you. I was dumb enough to think that you were always right. I've been tripping on a daily. The devil that you.
So as you can see, they had pretty much everything. It was pretty well stocked, and I was very excited with everything that I was able to see. So this is the bag. Like I said, it was my birthday weekend, so my sister got me a little gift from PopMart. It is a Hasi Poo Poo teddy bear. These here are beautiful. They're scented. They smell so good. There's actually 6 of them, and they all have different scents, and there's also the surprise one. I love the box. It's so, so cute. It does come in this little plastic bag. Here it is. She is so beautiful. This is the peach one, and it smells just like peaches. It smells so good. It is so, so soft, and it just smells incredibly good. I am obsessed. I could not believe that I actually ended up getting the light pink one. Don't get me wrong, I love the other colors, but when I saw that my sister had gotten me this one here, I was so excited. This is so pretty, and I can't wait to add it to one of my handbags. Like I said, they had so many of the Labubus, and they had the Have a Seat, which it's so hard to get online. So when I saw that they had a humongous box behind the registers, I had to get one. I already have one, and there is a couple that I really want, like for example ZZ, which is the light purple with the closed eyes, and the yellow one. Those two I really wanted. So I did get this one here, the Have a Seat. They're all opened, by the way, because like I said, I could not wait, and I wanted to see which one I had gotten. So let me show you. Here it is. It's in a yellow bag. It says Have a Seat. And I got the one I wanted. I got the yellow one. So the only other one I really want from this collection is the light purple, the ZZ. But as of now, I have all of the ones that I want from this collection. It is so beautiful. It's so soft. I am so happy that both of the things I got are in the color that I really wanted. And then the last thing I got from the store is one of the limited edition. It is the Fall in the Wild Labubu, and it is so beautiful. It's almost like a little farmer. They also had this one in the big size, but I think this one, I will definitely keep it in its little box. It is so pretty. Like, it comes with a full-on outfit. It has a hat, and it's holding a flower. But these are all the things I ended up getting from the PopMart store. I can't believe finally there's a store in my state. Finally. PopMart, you're going to see a lot of me in that store. But that was everything I got. I love you all so, so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.